In 4th grade, students are introduced to the Time4Learning road schooling family. Throughout the course, students take a virtual road trip across the United States to learn about different regions. Let's look at their trip to the state of New York.
Homeschooling! Through New York, so many cities, towns, and ports like Brooklyn, Hudson, Ithaca, Auburn, Long Beach, Utica, Poughkeepsie, Buffalo.
Each chapter starts with a KWL chart.
KWL. Know, wonder, learn.
Here, students capture what they already know and what they wonder about the state of New York. Throughout the lessons, students add new knowledge to the Learn column. The course will keep your child fully immersed as they learn about New York's history and vibrant culture through videos and reading activities.
In the early 1900s, electricity began to be used in the city. One area of Broadway was lit with electric signs advertising shows. In those days, all the lights were white, so that area became known as Great White Way. People came from all over to see the lights. They also came for the shows.
They will also explore the state's varied geography through interactive maps.
Long Island Sound is a body of water between Long Island and the mainland of the United States.
And analyze a collection of historic documents, some that depict what New York City looked like in the 1600s.
There were many houses inside the wall and few outside because most people wanted blank. Protection. Yes, that's correct. Which borough on the map is Manhattan?
The course provides automated grading of quizzes and tests to track your students' mastery of the learning.
You've completed the quiz.
Additionally, offline extension activities allow students to share what they have learned with those in their home and community.